Welcome back to Yardman Japan. Alright people, here we are. This is a shrine out in the woods. And this is one of the sacred spots in nature. Yeah? So whenever you are here or whenever you visit here, the notion is that the sign says that you should take necessary precaution to ensure that you keep your environment safe and friendly. Means that, of course, no peeing on the rocks, no garbage around, take care of your environment and your surroundings, as I said. And look at this amazing shot. Look at this shot. Yeah, here we are again, video 1+1. Yeah, you do the maths. Here we are in nature, observing the best that nature has to offer in terms of sunlight, air, water. Just look at that and notice the beautiful sun overhead. Yeah, and this is nature. Now listen to that. Hear that? Come with me again. Journey. Make a visit. Yeah. We're going to visit somewhere over there, so don't they can observe it. Yeah. Here I am on this boulder, standing on this boulder and going down in the river. Yeah. Look at that. Man, I just wish you could have there with me. To see what me say, feel what I feel, the wind, the fresh air, the forest, nature. Everything at its finest. Yo, but look here. What is? Yeah, man. 2 animal bone. We can check it out now. Look like a wild boar. Look at this. Cold water is fresh and beautiful and lush and pure. You want to go over there? Yeah. These people. This is Japan. And all the water, as I said, from video 1 go all the way down to the rice fields. So any rice you're getting from Japan is very, very fresh, very, very clean, very, very pure. Yeah. It's nature. Look, move closer. And in the water, them say have a salamander. So I'm actually look for one. Them say it's as rare as finding gold. If you find a salamander, that means that the place where you come is highly blessed and favored by the gods. And it's very, very beautiful. Yeah? Very beautiful. Look at that. I'm zooming in for me. Okay, I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna wet this. I wanna explore nature in its finest. Absolute finest. This look like is a deer. Oh dear, oh dear. Look like is a deer, my friend. Of course, you know, nature take its course. Yeah. Beautiful, man. And the evidence actually suggests, you know, So it's actually a deer. You see the hairs? You see the hair? Yeah, man. It's a deer. What do you mean? So another night, the animals them come out and then do what they need to do. Yeah? Absolutely breathtaking, people. Absolutely breathtaking. Look a little closer. I'll move up. I'll as close as we can. I'll get that very big shot for me. Here it is. What you say? Stars and have nothing pound it though. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. You know what say? You have to go down there. Go down there now. Yeah. Go down there, man. See that? I'll watch the step while we go down there. Voila. I want salamander that. Yo. You know what I'm talking. Look. You know if you can't see it. Is a salamander that, you know? Shoot! One of the biggest one I ever see. Shoot! See that? Look like a stone. You know, so we come river one time and I see one of my think a stone. I'm going to take a stick and I juke it, you know. Like a mine to juke it. And the thing move off. See? And it's going to the water again. Nature, man. Beautiful nature. Oh, God is great, eh? Only for the people. You know, I'm not touching dirt. It's beautiful. So just like what you thought. Just hit that button. Yeah? Like, share, and subscribe. Become a part of the Yardman family and a part of the Yardman movement. I have lots more to share with you. I'm looking forward to showing you the other sides of Japan. See you next time on Yardman Japan.